When I first opened Higgsfield Supercomputer, I wasn't planning to make a review. I was actually looking for footage for another project. That's it. I kept seeing people post crazy AI videos on X and YouTube, and eventually, curiosity got the better of me. So I signed up and started testing it. The first thing I did was exactly what most people do. I typed a simple prompt. The result was okay. Not amazing, not terrible, just okay. And honestly, if I had stopped there, I probably would have forgotten about the tool the next day. But then I noticed something. The people getting the best results weren't using simple prompts. They were thinking like directors, camera movement, character actions, scene transitions, lighting, emotion. So I started doing the same thing. That's when the outputs became much more interesting. The second thing I tested was ad creatives. This was actually the reason I kept using it. Instead of spending hours searching for stock footage, I could generate scenes that matched the exact idea in my head. Not perfect scenes, but close enough to validate the concept. And that saved a surprising amount of time. Then I tried something different. I generated the same ad idea 5 different ways. Different locations, different camera angles, different styles. Normally that kind of testing would take days. Here it took less than an hour. That was probably the moment I understood why people were excited about this tool. Not because the videos were perfect, because the experimentation was fast. Now here's where I think most people make a mistake. They see a cinematic demo online and assume every generation looks like that. That's not reality. Some generations look incredible, some look weird, some need multiple attempts before they become usable. That's just part of the process right now. And honestly, I think people need to hear that. Because if you buy Higgsfield expecting Hollywood in one click, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. The next thing I noticed was who would actually benefit from it. If you're making one video every few months, this probably isn't for you. But if you're constantly creating content, running ads, testing hooks, building UGC campaigns, or managing clients, the value starts becoming obvious. The speed alone changes how you work. Instead of asking, can we afford to test this idea? You start asking, why not test it? And that's a completely different mindset. After spending time with Higgsfield Supercomputer, I don't think the biggest feature is the video quality. I think it's the ability to fail faster. Try more ideas, kill bad concepts quickly, find good concepts sooner. That's what kept me coming back. So is it a hidden gold mine? For creators and marketers, maybe. For everyone else, maybe not. But one thing is clear. The people getting the most value aren't treating it like a video generator. They're treating it like an idea testing machine. And honestly, that's the part nobody told me before I tried it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.